Inside the world's largest canine milk facility, thousands of dogs rest comfortably as advanced. Good boy, look at that nice foam. You are doing so well. Here's a treat for you. The automated systems ensure every one of the 10,000 residents receives world-class care. The automated system ensures a gentle and continuous flow, prioritizing the comfort of the animals while maximizing output. High pressure homogenizer line, thick steel pistons, vibration dampeners, control screen showing pressure values, ultra detailed machinery. Industrial pre-filter system removing particles, rotating mesh filters inside sealed steel chambers, digital readouts, clean clinical look, no splashes.
Robotic arms place raw cookies onto baking trays at high speed, perfect alignment, industrial efficiency, clean lighting.
High-speed cameras scan cookies for shape and color. Screen shows pass/fail boxes. One imperfect cookie diverted. Clean tech look.
Machines sort cookies into perfect stacks. Robotic rippers align them into rows, satisfying precision.
Cookies sliding into branded wrappers. Sealing jaws closing. Date codes printing. Boxes forming automatically. Fast conveyor motion.